Okay, if you're joining, you're welcome. Please tap on the follow button, subscribe, sorry, and make sure you are sharing the live session. You're having a live trade. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're joining, go ahead and take the trade. Go ahead and take positions. You can see my trade already. You can see my trades already. Make sure you're subscribed as you're joining. My analysis is above, and you can see my trades. You're welcome. Make sure you're subscribed as you're joining. Welcome. Welcome. If you're joining, make sure you're subscribed. Welcome. Welcome live. Keep tapping on the like button and also share this session, guys. I will be doing analysis once we hit at least 20 streamers, then I'll start analyzing. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. This is USJPY. I'll be doing analysis on other pairs. Once we hit 20, or let me say if I get 10 likes, then I will start analyzing, okay? You're welcome to the live session. It's your coach, DeWorld. For mentorship, you can hit me on WhatsApp. That's my number on the screen there. You can hit me on WhatsApp. I'm going to be explaining why I took this trade, why we're in profit already, what we're expecting overall, where the TP and the SL is, everything. I'm going to explain it. Once we hit like 10 likes, we just have only one like I can see. Only one like. So keep tapping on that screen, keep doing the liking, and also keep sharing. I'll start once we get to a good number of likes. So meanwhile, we're already on this trade. I will tell you how to take profitable trade like this. and expect massive profits. Expect massive results. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss out when I come here to give live analysis and live signals also. So go ahead. You can see the same analysis at the top there. The same analysis I have here. This is at the trade. You can see the trade here. You can see the trade running. And you can see profit. The same trade. So go ahead and like. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome if you're new. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out whenever I come live, okay? You don't want to miss out whenever I'm live. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay. We're currently looking at USDJPY. As you can see, I have these trades. I took this trade yesterday. We're already in profit, as you can see. The analysis are up. The analysis is up there. And I took this trade. I'm going to be explaining the analysis in full, why I took that trade, what you should be expecting. So just go ahead and like. Once we hit at least 10-15 likes, I will start the analysis, okay? Once we can hit 10 to 15 likes, I will start the analysis. So make sure you're tapping on the likes, just keep tapping on that like. Share the live session also. The more I see the likes, the more I teach, the more I will want to teach. So if you have not taken this position, you should be looking for a pullback to take the entry. I will drop that signal when I start analyzing, so you don't want to miss out on that. That is more reason why you will be tapping on the like. Let's hit 15 likes and I will start analyzing, okay? I will start analysis. So, it's your coach, DeworldFX, and I'm here as usual to make sure you are a profitable trader. As always. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome. Okay, I'm going to be looking at other pairs in a moment. Okay. So if you're joining us for the first time, you are highly, highly welcome. If you're joining for the first time, you are highly welcome. I'm going to be doing some analysis right away. So I said I will start teaching once we hit at least 10 likes. So if you're not liking, definitely you don't want me to start teaching. I've already given you guys signals. We started this live session with this trade very less, around if not 400 or thereabout. Now we're around 600 in profit. So it simply means if you joined us earlier, you will be in massive profit. So you are welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome if you're just joining. You're welcome if you're just joining. Okay. If you're joining us, you're welcome. Here are the trades, as you can see. There are my entries. You can see my entries here. You can see the entries well taken. So this is a clear trade. This is a clear trade. Okay. So if you are just joining us for the first time, you are welcome. You are absolutely welcome. Is your coach and mentor the word? I said I will be doing analysis once we can hit at least 10 to 15 likes. I need to be sure you guys are getting value for what I'm doing here. So if you know you're getting value, just keep liking and keep sharing this live session. Keep liking and sharing. That is what will tell me that you're getting value from this live session. Okay, let me just see how. Let me see. If this is your first time, make sure you're subscribed. If this is your first time, make sure you are subscribed. Because seriously, you really don't want to miss out when I come live. It is very interesting and always interesting. Always interesting. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, so I will start analyzing once we hit at least 10 likes. So I'm waiting for you guys. You can go ahead and take this trade. Let's look at some other currency. I want us to look at gold now. I think most of my students know I love gold. So let's look at gold. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed. You can go follow me on TikTok at DeworldFX Academy, Instagram, and also Facebook, okay? So let's look at gold. This is gold. This is gold. So let's look at gold. Okay, so here we have gold. For those of you that were in my live session yesterday, you were there when we did this analysis, and I told you guys we'll be buying once it breaks. That is for those that were live yesterday. I told you we'll be buying when it breaks. So which is our entry was here. Now our first target should be at the overall high, which you can see. Okay, I'm going to go closer. Okay. Let me take this out again. If you're joining, make sure you're subscribed, because you really don't want to miss out when I come live again like this. So entry was here. SL was this tiny. Okay, that's it. So we are currently, okay, we've taken profit from this trade. So, but for those of you that I didn't ask you to do this, for Christ's sake. Okay, let me bring this up. Okay. For those of you that were with me, I believe you saw this trade when we took it. So this is gold. This is gold. This is gold. For those that will be asking, this is gold. But the trade we have at the top there is UJ. Okay. We have UJ. So if you want me to analyze anything, drop it in the comments. Comment section is open. If there's anything you want me to analyze, just drop it in the comment section and I'll do that. Also, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed. If there's anything you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. If you want to join my one-on-one mentorship class, you're free to hit me up on WhatsApp. My number is directly on the screen there with 82. If you want to learn how to analyze exactly like this and take your trades with confidence, that is one of the things I want to talk about today, taking trades with confidence. Most of the times, you see traders opening positions and closing them like in intervals, whereas that trade is not set to fly. This is the problem most beginner traders are having. And this has been the reason why you are not profitable. For example, now you can take a trade. For instance, now you take a buy trade, and when you take that buy trade, let me do this. Let me do this now. Let me do this. Sorry, let me get this on my screen so I can draw, so that we can. I want you guys to really understand what I'm trying to explain, because you definitely need it. Okay, so what is your problem? Okay, it's no problem. Let me just got over with this. Go away. Start. Minimize. Okay. So you'll be up. And I'll split. And here we go. Okay, good. So now we are back. Now, I was trying to talk about most of the experience for beginner traders. And I would want you to feel free to tell me if it is wrong, if you have not experienced such, because I'm just here to help the beginner traders. That's the reason for being here. So if you think you're not in that space, there's no problem. So now let's look at this together. Initially, this is what most beginner traders do. Just as you can see this trade running now, you'll do an analysis. Probably you see a good candle like this. You see a candle like a sell candle form, right? This sell candle gives you a small wick at the top. And you are not waiting for confirmation. Let me do this again. Now, let's use this for instance now. Let's say you have a candle like this form, okay? Now, this candle form, mind you have a wick at the top. Now, most of you seeing this candle alone as a sell candle, you rush in for a buy. Probably you now see another candle form somewhere here. You will now start taking a buy trade. Okay, that is not your confirmation for your entry. Before you take a trade, there are things you have to look out for before you take a trade. Like in my class, I have rules which I give my students that you have to look out for before you start taking your trade. There are things we call confluence. You have to map out things that are priorities, that when you're seeing them, then you're taking your trade, you know you're expecting a good result on that trade. Okay, so a single candle is not enough to take a trade. Okay, a single candle is not enough to take a trade. So one candle can give you a signal, but definitely you need a confirmation. You need a confirmation to take that trade. And when I mean confirmation, for instance now, we have a trend like this. Let's say we have this trend. You have this trend like this, okay? This is an uptrend, okay? This is an uptrend. So this market is trending up. This market is trending up. So you want to do buys. That is what you want to do. So when you're buying from here, you are at risk, like you're taking a very serious, no matter how sweet the trade looks like, you have no reason to buy at that point. Okay? You have no reason to buy from where the market is retracing. Like, look at this trade now. This is my trend line. I'll tell you why I took this trade. This is my trend line. Now, this trend line, the market, let me see if I can go to a higher time frame so you guys can see my analysis. Let me go to a higher time frame so you can see my analysis. Okay, so now you can see this is my analysis. You can see my analysis here. So we had an uptrend here. If you can see, here we have an uptrend. This is an uptrend here. Okay, but the uptrend was broken. See where the uptrend was broken here. So now we have something that playing like a retest, though the retest came, but has a fake out. So this is where your master skill comes in as a trader. This is where your master skill comes in. During my class, I gave my students this signal. After this fundamental spike down, we wait for this confirmation. And this is where we took our trade, took our buy here. And you can see the market went all the way to the retest zone, which is that trend. Okay. So before you take your trade, you have to have some sort of confluence. Okay. So now looking at this now, you can see this is a retest zone for our trade, a retest. So we confirm the retest. That is where we have the confidence to take the trades you can see running here. Now this trade you can see now, you can see them running. I took them based on my confluence confirmation. Okay. So now I'm going to go to a smaller time frame. Let me go to the H1. I wish I can even go to 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can go to 30 minutes. I want you guys to see the bigger picture. If you're here, you're not subscribed, I tell you, you're really doing yourself a big misfavor. Being on this platform alone is one big thing that you wouldn't want to miss. I come here to analyze and also drop live signals. And if you want to learn how to analyze like me, if you want to learn how to take trades as a professional, if you want to learn how to be a pro trader, all you need to do is hit me up on WhatsApp. This is my details. Hit me on WhatsApp here, and I will do well to tell you what it takes to join the academy. It is very, very affordable. And we also have room for installment payment for those that are not able to make full payment at once. So forex trading must not be too expensive for you to learn. Though in our time it was a big deal to learn, but now we have known that it's not all about the money, but it's about the desire to learn. So that is why we make it affordable. So now let's go ahead with my analysis. Please let me be seeing the likes on the screen. I need to see the likes. The likes will tell me to continue teaching. The more the likes, the more I teach. The more the likes, the more I teach. I want to look at other pairs. You looked at gold. I was waiting for, if you want me to analyze anything, drop it in the comment section and I will do just that, okay? I will do just that. I have class very soon, so I will not be staying here for long. So you make good use of this opportunity you have with me now. I think that will be my advice to you. Okay, I think we took this trade. We already took our profit from this trade, this one here. For those that joined me, we took this trade, we took out our profit. Okay. So let me look at you, Jay. So let me go to a higher time frame. Okay, that's our analysis for you, Jay. Now the market is currently at our zone again. Let me go to the one. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed. You can see this very good analysis here. We had this market playing around here. So we had this is like a rising wedge. And of course, you have to wait for it to break at this zone, which you see. So now it's pushing back up. Mind you, as I keep telling you, okay, for those in my class, if the market makes an impulsive move down, which is this, there will be an equal recovery to the upside. It might not be instant, but definitely there will be and a recovery for that. So most of the times you can please tap on your like. Okay, I need your likes, I need your share, and make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed here, you are missing out. Seriously, you are. Okay, because I come here to trade live and also drop live signals. So if you are not subscribed, you definitely are missing out. I bet you are. So this is for the GPUSD. So we have this trade here. I'm going to go ahead and do some analysis on it. I will be doing analysis on it. So follow me. Make sure you're following. So here we are. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you why we take some trades and why we don't take some trades. For those in my academy, you know why. Those of them in the academy know what I'm doing now. So which I will be telling you. Now we have this is a rising wedge. So most of the time we have this pattern break to the downside and we take our sell. Okay, we have it break to the downside and we take our sell. But this scenario now, we have it taking the upside here. And we have our zone here that is come to retest. So that is where we are looking at it. That is where we'll be looking at it closely to know whether we should be taking an entry for a buy or entry for a sell. So, but currently we are on USDJPY, as you can see, and we are running a profit of 552 plus. I think we got to 700 for those that were here since. We got to 700 on this trade. So if you took the trade, congrats to you. So currently now you want to know what is happening at this zone to help you know whether it is going to be continuation of a bullish move or it's going to be a reversal to test this area or possibly break down and continue to the downside. So you can only determine that when we have a confirmation of what is happening at this point on a smaller time frame. Okay, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out whenever I'm live. Okay, what is happening? Okay, let me see what's happening here. Let me see what's happening here. If you're joining, you're welcome. You are most welcome if you're just joining us. You're very 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 welcome if you're just joining us. So I think we're back with this. I think we are having a retracement down. So we might want to take a little trade to the downside, just a few pips. Oh, sorry. We just want to catch a few pips there, then we'll be out. We just want to catch a few pips. You just want to catch a few pips. No. Fine, that's it. So we'll catch a few pips. If you're joining, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. make sure you are subscribed. So here we go. Wow, it's dropping massively. It's dropping massively. So okay, good. So make sure you are subscribed. As I told you, we are just taking a few pips. Then if it still goes our way, we'll hold. If not, we'll exit. Okay? If it's going our way, we'll still hold. If it's not going our way, we'll exit. We will exit. If it's not going our way, we will exit. Make sure you're following, you subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at, let's see what UJ is still doing. Okay, let's keep our eyes on this trade firstly. We will exit once we get to, I think, the support of the wedge. Once we get to the support of the wedge, I'm going to be exiting this position. Probably if there is more momentum, then we are going to hold. If there is not much momentum, then we are going to exit. So subscribe if you are just joining. I would have said you should take the trade, but it's almost close to the zone. Unless you have the capacity to open a big lot and jump out as fast as you can, because it's still pushing down. It is still pushing down. We are in profit, guys. We are in profit. We are in profit. We are in profit. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram at DeworldFX Academy. Follow me on Facebook, DeworldFX. And also on TikTok, DeworldFX Academy. So you don't miss out whenever I come live here, or whenever I come live in any of the social platforms, because I give live analysis, live trade, signals, and also help beginner traders become profitable. So you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, let's go back and look at UJ. UJ, I said. Okay, if you're on this trade, you get ready to exit. If the momentum, if you start losing momentum around that area, we will exit. If you start losing momentum there, we will exit. Okay, so get ready. We are scalping, we are not swing trading. So we get our entry and we get out in profit. That is what we do. We get our entries and we get out in profit. So that is what we call swing trading. We don't hold position for long. We get our profit and we get out. That is swing trading. So we are almost close. As you can see, we are almost close. Almost close. So if you took this trade, congrats, you should be in profit. If you took this trade, congrats, you should be in profit. If you took this trade, congrats, you should be in profit. Congrats, you should be in profit. Congrats, you should be in profit. And you need to know that risk and greed don't go together. Okay? Risk and greed don't go together. What I mean by this is you have an account and you're trying to grow the account. let's say you have $100 account. In case you're looking for the best broker with a good spread that can help you make such profits like this, you can see my entries there. You can see them. And you can see my spread. This is what we call spread. It's a very tiny spread. You can see it. Some of you, when you're trading, you see the red line will be here. The green line will be here. That is very big. You will not be profitable with such a kind of broker. You see your sell line will be here, your buy line will be here. Very big. But you can see this trade, see my is very tiny. Very, very tiny. That is because of the kind of broker I'm using. So if you want to use that kind of broker, go to any of my videos, go to my bio, see a link there, click on that link, HF, just click on the link or the HF, it will take you, register on the Zero Spread account. If you're having any challenge on doing that, you can just hit me on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. Let's go to UJ. My number is on the screen. You can DM me at any time, and I will assist you on doing that. Once I'm free with class, I'll walk you through it. Sure, I will. I do that for my good people. Okay, my power is off. My power is off. So, as you can see, this is UJ. And we are already in profits on the same trade. So that is it. If you're welcome, make sure you're subscribed. Please let me see the likes, and let me see you share this live session so others get to learn too. I think I have class. I need to be going off very soon. I have class and I'll be going off very, very soon. Be leaving you guys very soon. Be leaving you guys very soon. So make sure you're subscribed as you're just joining. Make sure you are subscribed. Okay. Okay. This is UJ, as you can see. We are selling already. Okay. Let me look at GU. I think I just analyzed GU now. Okay. So this is GU we are looking at. This is GU we are looking at, and I told you guys we might be expecting to take profit here, and it came close. And I've not closed my trade. I've not closed. I'm waiting for this candle to be done. I've not closed. I'm waiting for this candle to be done. So one thing I've done already is to break even. That's the one thing I've done, to break even. So you can do same. Can do same. But my target for TP is, first TP is here. Then if it closes back inside, then we know we are still holding the trade. Okay. Make sure you're subscribed, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. Go follow me. I'll be selecting some persons to join my beginner class for free. I want to select 5 persons. So to qualify, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube here, and also on Facebook. Then you can send me a DM that you have subscribed, and I'll add you to the free beginner class. It's a free class. I just teach beginners, just to help beginner traders become more profitable. So if you want to join that class, feel free. Just hit this requirement and you're good. So you can see the trade is coming back our way. Coming back our way. This is what to do here. If you know you're getting good content here, please like, keep tapping on the like, subscribe. Okay, let me see. GJ, GBB, JPY. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this analysis live with you here. And stick with me while we do this together. So if you want to join my masterclass, feel free. My number is in my bio. Just feel free, get my number and send me a DM. The class is very affordable, very, very affordable. And also offer installment payments. We all know how the country is, so you mustn't break the bank to learn how to make money. And because we have made some money, doesn't mean we should make it hard for you to also learn. So if you want to join the masterclass, feel free. Hit me on WhatsApp. Okay, let me do this. You can, GJ, I was analyzing GJ, right? Yeah, so just do this. Take this. You can do a screenshot of this. Yeah, you can do a screenshot of that's my contact. Do a screenshot and you hit me up on WhatsApp. So while I continue with the analysis. Yep, so GJ is where I was. Yeah, here we go on GJ. I wish I can see your comments. I cannot see your comments, guys, but the best place to reach me is on WhatsApp. I'll reply to you as fast as possible. So for GBP/JPY, this is our trade. This is our trade. So we have been here and we're looking at this zone playing out. Now a very interesting zone here. This is a very interesting zone. So I think I'm expecting a head and shoulder pattern to play out, which is something like this. So that is exactly what you're expecting. Those in my masterclass, they already understand what I'm doing. Those in the masterclass, they know what I'm doing. So that is what I'm expecting from the market. So I would tell you to take your buy around here, 192,768. You can take your buy around there for GJ. I just gave you the signal now. Take your buy there. So that's what we're expecting. I'll say that again. I'm expecting a inverse head and shoulder to form, something like this, for GBP/JPY. That's what we are trading, GBP/JPY. So the market is still playing out now. It has given us a left shoulder. The head has been confirmed. So I am expecting the right shoulder to play out. Then we can take our buy once we confirm the market at this area. So For mentorship, as I keep saying, hit me up on WhatsApp. That's the best place to get across to me. You can hit me up on WhatsApp. I'll respond to you as fast as possible. Okay. So this is the second analysis we have playing out. This is the second analysis we have playing out. So this is the low of the day. This is the low of the day. And the high of the day we're expecting should be around here. So in other words, this market should come, give us this and go this way. So our analysis is always accurate. At least we have around 98% of accuracy in our analysis. So learning from the best coach gives you an edge. For those that are joining us, please make sure you're subscribed for your good, because you would be missing out from my live analysis, giveaways, and live signals if you are not subscribed. And also, that is going to help us grow. Okay, just help the channel grow too. So I'm expecting an inverse head and shoulder to form. This is what I'm expecting from this analysis. So you can take your buy at this point here. Your entry should be around here. Okay. So I will be picking 5 persons to join the beginner class for free. I told you guys, to qualify, go and follow me on TikTok and on Facebook. Also on Instagram at DeworldFX Academy. Just go ahead and do that. Then you hit me up. I will tell you, hit me up and drop your username, and I'll add you up to the free beginner class. The class is supposed to be $100, but I'm doing it for free for now. I think I want to do that for this month. I want to pick out people and make sure they have this training that they will take over to the next year to start up their career. So if you want to join this class, you're free, and go ahead and do that. So guys, I need to go and prepare for my class. I need to prepare for class. So I will be leaving you guys very soon. I think I have about 7 minutes to be here, if not less than. So as you can see, we already have the trade running. We have the trade running. I told you guys take this trade, and you can see we have them running. So I'm yet to, I won't close, but we are going to be having something like a retest. That's what I'm expecting around some of this zone. This is the first retest zone that we might likely come to here again. So before the market drops back down. So for those of us that took our entry this early, good for us. For those of you that are yet to take your trade, you might want to wait for a confirmation of the pullback. And when I mean confirmation, something like this to this zone, then you have the confirmation here, then you sell. So these are the things to be looking out for. Okay, I think